All right, the bridge in Likely. So you got to cross this to get to Likely. And if you need gas, this is where you got to go to get gas. And I met a girl at the bullion pit today that said that her grandparents own the lodge, so that it was an old building. It does kind of look like an old building. It's a hotel, cafe, and pub, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I don't know what this water is here. It's kind of weird because it looks like a river over there. Interesting. Kind of smells like fish. This is a recycle thing. You could stop here and what? Throw out some garbage. Use the public washroom. Very nice washroom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There's some geese over here. Welcome to Likely sign. Explore Likely. Cedar Point. I guess that looks like there's a museum there. It might almost be the place to spend the night, but we were going to try to go farther than that. Like this gold panner dude. Sorry, I'm missing on my... Very cool. Big rock that they must have blown a hole in. That's kind of pretty. I've never been here before. There's this miner guy. And a cow moose sign. Respect a cow moose. Sure. And this Gears guy with a smoke hanging out of his mouth. I guess that was for fun. He's got glasses and smoke. It's made out of bolts. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Interesting. So it's like 5 o'clock or something. It says that's a private dock. There's an old shack over there. There's the Likely Lodge. The old girl was saying. Very nice little girl. Props. Thanks for chatting with us at the bullion pit. Oh, her name was Pie. That's what it is. And her brother's name was B. Store. I guess I should go get my wallet so I can buy some water. But I wanted to film. Nice sky around here. Pretty neat. A lot of dudes. A lot of dudes around here. Bathroom's cool though. Little piece of lake's cool. And that's it. That's a Mad Dog Mountain Arts video of right when you come off the bridge. And this little store thing. A lot of bugs. A lot of bugs.